How to turn on sound on keypress on Grammarly keyboard. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on sound on keypress easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Grammarly. Now this is the home page. Choose the first option, it's keyboard customization. Click on it and now go down until you find those keypress options. Now go to sound on keypress and turn it on from here. It's very easy and I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe because this will help me a lot. Thank you so much for watching.